Hello, welcome to another session on software testing. Today we are dealing with types of software testing. My name is Sanju Stephen. Then go for this session. These are the two divisions of software testing, that are functional testing and non-functional testing. Coming to functional testing, it is a type of software testing in which the system is tested against the functional requirements and specifications. And functional testing ensures that the requirement or specification are properly satisfied by the application. Each functionality of the software application is tested by providing appropriate test input, expecting the output, and comparing the actual output with the expected output. Okay, so the functional testing is purely based on the functional requirement, and we are verifying the each functionality of a software with the expected result. So if its expected and actual result are same, then our test case is passed. Okay, so the functional testing is purely based on the functional requirement. Okay, and here I give an example for functional testing. Consider a login page. Okay, here you can see username, password, and login button is there. Our one of the functional testing scenario or the test case is verify the login functionality with the valid username and password. So here we entering the valid username, password, and click on login button. What we are expecting? By entering valid username, password, then user should navigate to home screen. Then if it is expected and actual are same, then our test case is passed. So likely you can perform verify the login functionality with the invalid username, password. What we expect is showing a error message of invalid credentials. Likely we verify the requirements, functional requirements, and it's verify the actual result. This comes under functional testing. Okay, hope you understand the functional testing example. Then coming to next is another division of non-functional testing. So it is focused on testing the non-functional aspect of software. It is just opposite of functional testing. It is called non-functional testing. Come to this, these are the performance, security, usability, reliability, and compatibility. These criteria are tested under the non-functional testing. Non-functional testing helps to ensure that the software meets the quality standards and performs well under different conditions. Okay, so mainly the performance, security, usability, reliability, compatibility. These are the main criteria comes under the non-functional testing. So I give an example here. Taking the same page. Suppose you are checking the login with the value username with a single user, it is working perfectly. Okay, but think if you try with the 100 or 1000 concurrent user at a time login, then our application is crashing or slow down, then it is a problem, right? So this comes under non-functional testing. So we need to test the performance of the software or the screen or different types of screens or the software. We need to perform the performance, so it comes under non-functional. And another one example is if our coming to nowadays, we are heard about a lot of potential cyber attacks, right? So we need to ensure our site is secure from these hackers or viruses. Okay, so this also comes under the checking, the testing of security is comes under non-functional testing. And additionally, you would check whether the website is accessible and easy for people with the disabilities. These are the examples of non-functional testing. Okay, then here I list out the tabular form of difference between the functional and non-functional testing. Okay, coming to functional testing, it verifies the operations and actions of an application. Coming to non-functional, it verifies the behavior of an application like performance, security, like. Okay, and coming to functional, it is based on requirement of a customer, but in non-functional it is based on expectations of a customer. Okay, then functional, it helps to enhance the behavior of the application. It's coming to non-functional, it helps to improve the performance of the application. Okay, and coming to functional, functional testing is easy to execute manually. Okay, but in non-functional it hard to execute non-functional testing manually, because suppose you have to think 100 user concurrently, we can't afford with the 100 computers with the software loading, it is not possible. So on that case we will mostly use the softwares. We have softwares to simulate virtual loads. Okay, like JMeter, load runner, etc. is available in market. For security testing, we have OWASP, Burpsuite. Different software tools are available for the security testing as well. Okay. Coming to functional testing, it does the what the product does. Coming to non-functional, it describes how the product does. Okay. Then come functional. Functional testing is based on the business requirement. Okay, requirement based testing. Okay. Coming to non-functional testing, non-functional testing is based on the performance requirement. Okay, these are the difference between the functional and non-functional testing. Okay, then the conclusion is the both are required, functional and non-functional, both are required for the completing the our testing a software. So both type of testing is essential for delivering a very good quality product to the customer. Hope you enjoy this section. Thank you.